All right, today I have a Kia Sportage, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats in the Kia Sportage so you can have more cargo space back of the vehicle. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to show you. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the back of the Kia Sportage. And in order to lay down the seats flat, you'll have to find the lever. On this particular Kia Sportage, if you look down, you'll see this right here. This right here is the lever that you need to pull. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this. And it only pulls down one of the seats. And you can see right now, I'm having issues because it's not laying down. You can try to press this in by pressing in the headrest. But if that is not enough room, what you'll do is you'll go back around to the front of the vehicle, and then you'll come up here and you'll scoot up the front seat. Now, once the front seat is scoot up, you'll take this and lay it down. Now you have the other seats. And so what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to walk around to this side of the Kia Sportage. I'm going to open the door and I'll come down and I'll pull down this lever. And look at that. It's laid down flat. Look at all that space that you have inside of the Kia Sportage. Now, in order to pull them back up, what you'll do is you'll simply come up here and pull up, but guess what? It won't move. So you'll have to pull that lever again to unlock it, push it back, and it is upright. It is almost not in the correct position that's comfortable for people in the rear seat. But the back, yes, there's a lot. But in order to pull it back, you'll just pull this lever and push back on the seat. So I'm gonna push back on the seat, and now they're laid back. And you can make adjustments that might be too far back by pulling up that lever and pulling back the back of the screen. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna walk around, and then I'm gonna go to this side, and I'm gonna do this side just like that one. Just release that lever down there, comes up, and you see how it's not even on the same. But in order to make them even, so they're both the right way, you just go ahead and pull this lever, push back on the seat, and voila, they're almost even. Maybe make a small adjustment, and now they're both laid back, just like that. And that is how you lay down the rear seats on a Kia Sportage, just like that, so it's flat and you have more cargo space. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.